Meaning of water: a transparent, odorless, tasteless liquid that is essential for most plant and animal life.
Example 1. She drinks 8 glasses of water a day.
Example 2. The plants need water to grow.
Meaning of bread: a staple food made from flour and water, usually baked.
Example 1. She had a slice of bread with butter for breakfast.
Example 2. The bakery makes fresh bread every morning.
Meaning of rice: a staple grain that is a main food source for much of the world's population.
Example 1. They served rice with the chicken curry.
Example 2. Rice is a key ingredient in many Asian dishes.
Meaning of milk: a white liquid produced by mammals, rich in nutrients, and often consumed by humans.
Example 1. She added milk to her coffee.
Example 2. The children drank a glass of milk before bed.
Meaning of egg: a food product produced by birds, particularly chickens, that is rich in protein.
Example 1. She boiled an egg for breakfast.
Example 2. Eggs are a common ingredient in baking.
Meaning of fruit: the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food.
Example 1. She enjoys eating fresh fruit in the morning.
Example 2. Apples and bananas are her favorite fruits.
Meaning of vegetable: a plant or part of a plant used as food, typically as a side dish or in salads.
Example 1. They served steamed vegetables with dinner.
Example 2. She added fresh vegetables to the soup.
Meaning of meat: the flesh of animals as food, especially that of mammals and birds.
Example 1. He prefers eating meat over vegetables.
Example 2. The butcher sells fresh meat every day.
Meaning of fish: a cold-blooded aquatic vertebrate with gills and fins, often consumed as food.
Example 1. They had grilled fish for dinner.
Example 2. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids.
Meaning of chicken: a type of domesticated fowl, commonly eaten as meat.
Example 1. She cooked a roast chicken for Sunday dinner.
Example 2. Chicken can be prepared in many different ways.
Meaning of apple: a round fruit with red, yellow, or green skin and crisp, juicy flesh.
Example 1. She packed an apple in her lunchbox.
Example 2. Apples are commonly used in pies and desserts.
Meaning of banana: a long, curved fruit with yellow skin and soft, sweet flesh.
Example 1. He eats a banana every morning for breakfast.
Example 2. Bananas are rich in potassium.
Meaning of orange: a round, juicy citrus fruit with a tough, bright reddish-yellow rind.
Example 1. She peeled an orange for a snack.
Example 2. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C.
Meaning of tomato: a glossy red or yellowish fruit eaten as a vegetable, often used in salads and cooking.
Example 1. She sliced a tomato for the salad.
Example 2. Tomatoes are used to make sauces and soups.
Meaning of potato: a starchy plant tuber that is one of the most important food crops.
Example 1. She made mashed potatoes to go with the steak.
Example 2. Potatoes can be prepared in many ways, including baking and frying.
Meaning of cheese: a dairy product made from curdled milk, often aged to develop flavor.
Example 1. She sprinkled grated cheese on the pasta.
Example 2. Cheese is often used in sandwiches and pizzas.
Meaning of butter: a solid dairy product made by churning cream or milk, used as a spread or in cooking.
Example 1. She spread butter on her toast.
Example 2. Butter adds richness to baked goods.
Meaning of sugar: a sweet crystalline substance obtained from various plants, used to sweeten food and drinks.
Example 1. She added a teaspoon of sugar to her coffee.
Example 2. Sugar is a common ingredient in desserts.
Meaning of salt: a white crystalline substance used to season and preserve food.
Example 1. She added a pinch of salt to the soup.
Example 2. Salt is essential in most savory recipes.
Meaning of pepper: a pungent spice obtained from the berries of the pepper plant, used to add flavor to food.
Example 1. He ground fresh black pepper over the salad.
Example 2. Pepper is often paired with salt for seasoning.
Meaning of coffee: a beverage made from roasted and ground coffee beans, often served hot.
Example 1. She drinks a cup of coffee every morning.
Example 2. Coffee is enjoyed by millions of people worldwide.
Meaning of tea: a beverage made by steeping tea leaves in hot water.
Example 1. She prefers green tea in the afternoon.
Example 2. Tea is a popular drink in many cultures.
Meaning of juice, the liquid obtained from or present in fruit or vegetables.
Example 1. She drank a glass of orange juice with breakfast.
Example 2. Fresh juice is more nutritious than processed juice.
Meaning of soup, a liquid dish typically made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables in stock or water.
Example 1. She made a pot of chicken soup for dinner.
Example 2. Soup is comforting on a cold day.
Meaning of salad, a cold dish of various mixtures of raw or cooked vegetables, typically seasoned with oil, vinegar, or other dressing.
Example 1. She made a fresh green salad for lunch.
Example 2. Salads can be made with a variety of ingredients.
Meaning of pizza, a dish of Italian origin consisting of a flat, round base of dough baked with a topping of tomato sauce and cheese, typically with added meat or vegetables.
Example 1. They ordered a pepperoni pizza for dinner.
Example 2. Pizza is a favorite food for many people.
Meaning of pasta, a dish originally from Italy consisting of dough made from durum wheat and water, extruded or stamped into various shapes, and typically cooked in boiling water.
Example 1. She cooked pasta for dinner with marinara sauce.
Example 2. Pasta comes in many shapes, like spaghetti, penne, and fusilli.
Meaning of cake, a sweet baked dessert usually made from flour, sugar, and eggs.
Example 1. She baked a chocolate cake for the party.
Example 2. Cakes are often decorated with frosting and sprinkles.
Meaning of ice cream, a soft frozen food made with sweetened and flavored milk fat.
Example 1. She had a scoop of vanilla ice cream for dessert.
Example 2. Ice cream is a popular treat in the summer.
Meaning of chocolate, a food made from roasted and ground cacao seeds, typically sweetened and eaten as confectionery.
Example 1. She loves dark chocolate.
Example 2. Chocolate can be used in baking or eaten on its own.
Meaning of sandwich, a dish consisting of two pieces of bread with fillings such as meat, cheese, or vegetables between them.
Example 1. He packed a ham and cheese sandwich for lunch.
Example 2. Sandwiches are easy to make and convenient for meals on the go.
Meaning of burger, a sandwich consisting of a cooked patty of ground meat, usually beef, placed inside a sliced bread roll or bun.
Example 1. They ordered burgers and fries at the diner.
Example 2. Veggie burgers are a popular alternative to beef burgers.
Meaning of French fries, strips of deep-fried potato, typically served as a side dish.
Example 1. She ordered a side of French fries with her burger.
Example 2. French fries are a popular fast food item.
Meaning of spaghetti, a long, thin, cylindrical pasta of Italian origin.
Example 1. She made spaghetti with tomato sauce for dinner.
Example 2. Spaghetti is often served with meatballs in Italian cuisine.
Meaning of steak, a slice of meat cut from the fleshy part of a beef carcass, usually cooked by grilling or frying.
Example 1. He grilled a steak for dinner.
Example 2. Steak is often served with potatoes and vegetables.
Meaning of sausage, a cylindrical food made from ground meat, often pork, beef, or veal, along with salt, spices, and other flavorings.
Example 1. She cooked sausages for breakfast.
Example 2. Sausages can be grilled, fried, or baked.
Meaning of bacon, cured meat from the back or sides of a pig, often served in thin slices.
Example 1. He had bacon and eggs for breakfast.
Example 2. Bacon adds a savory flavor to many dishes.
Meaning of yogurt, a creamy, tangy food made by fermenting milk with bacteria.
Example 1. She had yogurt with granola for breakfast.
Example 2. Yogurt is often eaten as a snack or used in smoothies.
Meaning of mushroom, a type of fungi with a cap and stem, some varieties of which are edible.
Example 1. She added mushrooms to the pasta sauce.
Example 2. Mushrooms are a popular topping on pizza.
Meaning of onion, a bulbous plant with a pungent taste and smell, used in cooking.
Example 1. She chopped an onion for the soup.
Example 2. Onions can be sautéed, grilled, or eaten raw in salads.
Meaning of garlic, a strong-smelling, pungent-tasting bulb, used as a flavoring in cooking and in herbal medicine.
Example 1. She minced garlic for the pasta sauce.
Example 2. Garlic is often used to enhance the flavor of dishes.
Meaning of carrot, a tapering orange-colored root, eaten as a vegetable.
Example 1. she grated carrots for the salad.
Example 2, carrots can be eaten raw or cooked.
Meaning of cucumber. A long green-skinned fruit with watery flesh, usually eaten raw in salads.
Example 1, she sliced cucumber for the salad.
Example 2, cucumbers are often used in sandwiches and salads.
Meaning of lettuce. A leafy green vegetable commonly used in salads.
Example 1, she used lettuce as the base for the salad.
Example 2, lettuce is also used in sandwiches and wraps.
Meaning of spinach. A leafy green vegetable rich in iron and vitamins, often used in salads or cooked dishes.
Example 1, she added spinach to the smoothie for extra nutrients.
Example 2, spinach can be eaten raw or cooked.
Meaning of broccoli. A green vegetable with a thick stem and clusters of tight, edible flower buds.
Example 1, she steamed broccoli as a side dish for dinner.
Example 2, broccoli is high in vitamins and minerals.
Meaning of cauliflower. A vegetable with a white head surrounded by green leaves, often used in cooking.
Example 1, she roasted cauliflower with olive oil and herbs.
Example 2, cauliflower can be used as a low-carb alternative to rice or potatoes.
Meaning of pepper. A spicy or mild vegetable often used to add flavor to dishes.
Example 1, she chopped red pepper for the stir-fry.
Example 2, peppers come in various colors including green, red, yellow, and orange.
Meaning of zucchini. A green summer squash that is usually cooked and used as a vegetable.
Example 1, she grilled zucchini with olive oil and herbs.
Example 2, zucchini can be spiralized to make low-carb noodles.
Meaning of pumpkin. A large round orange vegetable with thick skin, often used in cooking and baking.
Example 1, she made pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving.
Example 2, pumpkin can be roasted, pureed, or used in soups and desserts.
Meaning of corn. A cereal plant that yields large grains or kernels, set in rows on a cob, often eaten as a vegetable.
Example 1, they grilled corn on the cob for the barbecue.
Example 2, corn is often used in salads, soups, and as a side dish.
Meaning of grapes. Small, round, smooth-skinned fruit, usually green, red, or purple, growing in clusters on vines.
Example 1, she packed a bunch of grapes for a snack.
Example 2, grapes can be eaten fresh or used to make wine.
Meaning of strawberry. A sweet, soft red fruit with a seed-studded surface.
Example 1, she added strawberries to her cereal.
Example 2, strawberries are often used in desserts and smoothies.
Meaning of blueberry. A small, round, dark blue fruit, often eaten fresh or used in baking.
Example 1, she baked blueberry muffins for breakfast.
Example 2, blueberries are rich in antioxidants.
Meaning of pineapple. A large tropical fruit with a rough, spiky exterior and sweet, juicy yellow flesh.
Example 1, she added pineapple to the fruit salad.
Example 2, pineapple is often used in tropical drinks and desserts.
Meaning of mango. A tropical fruit with sweet, juicy flesh and a tough skin, usually orange or yellow when ripe.
Example 1, she made a mango smoothie for breakfast.
Example 2, mango is a popular fruit in many tropical countries.
Meaning of peach. A juicy fruit with soft, fuzzy skin, typically orange or yellow in color.
Example 1, she picked fresh peaches from the orchard.
Example 2, peaches are often used in pies and desserts.
Meaning of pear. A sweet fruit with a rounded base and tapering neck, typically green, yellow, or brown.
Example 1, she sliced a pear for a snack.
Example 2, pears are often eaten fresh or used in salads.
Meaning of plum. A small round fruit with smooth skin and a central stone, typically purple, red, or yellow.
Example 1, she made a plum tart for dessert.
Example 2, plums can be eaten fresh or dried into prunes.
Meaning of cherry. A small round stone fruit that is typically bright or dark red.
Example 1, she topped her ice cream with fresh cherries.
Example 2, cherries are often used in desserts and cocktails.